Welcome to another episode of the Scran Line Every Day. I'm your host, Nick McCreadys, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly poached chicken. This chicken recipe is juicy and quick and easy to make. It's a no-fuss recipe that gives you perfectly cooked and tasty chicken that you can use in loads of different things, basically anywhere you need chicken, like salads, sandwiches, wraps, or just alongside some rice. It's really simple. To begin, add some boiling water to a deep fry pan or pot. Bring it to a boil and then add some bay leaf, lemon slices, and some lemongrass along with 2 chicken breasts. Now, those aromatics, you can add other things like ginger or garlic. What we're not going to be adding is salt because it prevents the chicken from cooking as quickly as we want it. Once you've added all of those into the boiling water, turn the heat off and cover it with the lid. Let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to be left with perfectly cooked chicken. Now, to be on the safe side, you want to make sure that the internal temperature of your chicken is 75 degrees Celsius. This chicken can be served hot, warm, cold. It is so amazingly quick and easy to make. Recipe is on my website at scranline.com. A link for that is in the box below. This is just a quick one, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's quick, easy recipe. If you've got other quick, easy recipe ideas you'd like to see me make on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line Every Day.